welcome to my recap on summer matserie. Before we get into the driving stuff, I had a couple of things I wanted to just talk about. I'll try to keep it quick, and nobody wants to sit and listen to that for very long. Really, the summer has not gone to plan. The plan was to put out videos way more regular. The car and the mini bike stuff I've been doing, well, trying to be doing, and just, you know, other little projects and stuff. But life gets in the way, right? We had our oldest child got married this summer. Congratulations to Adam and Lakeia. I love you guys. And then we did summer matserie and had a great time. A couple small issues with the car, as usual, you know, par for the course. It's actually still in the backyard, sitting on the trailer, broken. Haven't even unloaded it or messed with it. There's just been no time. Because we got done with summer matserie, and then we went right into prep and moving our second child to North Dakota. Drove to North Dakota, got him settled in, drove from North Dakota to Montana, like the far side of Montana. We went to Glacier National Park, spent a few days out there. If you've never been, definitely go. What an amazing place. And then we get back. This was just a few days ago we got back. And there's just been no time for anything else. Like, the outside of car stuff has been so busy. But that should be winding down. Should be able to get back to focusing on this. As for making videos at the events, what I've realized between driving the car, working on the car, if the family goes, spending time with the family, helping with the comp, helping with grid, helping with whatever else needs to be done. This isn't a complaint because I enjoy all of that stuff. I thoroughly enjoy being a staff member and getting to hang out with, I mean, the people that I go to the event to hang out with are the staff. Those are the guys I've been hanging out with since I started drifting, and I love all you guys, you know that. But it just becomes too much to do all of that and try to capture what the events are. Like, I don't want to just do events off my GoPro, which is basically what this video is going to end up being. Just videos off my GoPro of my car. Like, I like doing videos of the other cars too and trying to showcase the whole event. So I'm bringing in someone to help with that side of things. So moving forward, videos should be able to capture the staff side, the driver side, and the spectator side. So if that all goes to plan, the videos should get way better, and I'm excited for that. Another exciting thing, since the last video came out, this channel has hit 100 subscribers, which in the grand scheme of YouTube is a small number. But that's awesome. Like, I don't do this for the number, but I do it because it's fun, and that's a cool thing. Like, 100 people have subscribed to the channel, and people are watching the videos that I make just for fun. So that's awesome. That's not something I take lightly. And I've also had people approach me at events and comment on the videos and what they like and the things that I've been doing. So I want to put more focus on that because that's awesome to me. So bring in some help, try to make that side of everything better, and I'm very excited for that. So I'll shut up from there and we'll get into the recap of the event, which I want to start off by congratulating the round 2 winner, Alan Boss. I'm going to put a clip of his, I believe it's the final run I pulled off YouTube. I believe it's his final run. And put that in now. Watch this lead run. Nobody else was touching this lead run all weekend. There was nobody else that even came close. He was on one, and it was amazing to watch. Congratulations, Alan. And then after that video, we'll get into what I did for the weekend.